Hey, yo, what's happening? I got this view up so y'all can see what's going on. Uh, just finna redo my RCA cables. And it could be a little difficult, but it's really not that difficult. It's a little trick. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape these two together. And by the way, sorry I didn't say it in the beginning. This is just an aftermarket radio in a 2009 Volkswagen CC. So now that I got that part done, down here, yeah, it's dirty. I've been fishing and working in mud, but down here, I'm gonna have to take these screws out because I ran my RCA up through the side there. And when I taped them together, I did it so when I pull this old one out, it'll run right through the same path as the first one. You feel me? So we gonna see how this gonna work out. But first I might need to unscrew the first ones. Oh. And just enough so it comes down enough to be able to freely get this out of here. Ugh. Boom. As you can see, just gotta work him down through yonder way. And voila, baby. And just like that, RCA cable reran. I don't know how many people this gonna help out, but hopefully it helps out somebody. My name's T. You can follow me on Facebook under Tyrone Lassane, Instagram the same thing, Snapchat the same thing, ain't hard to find. Stay tuned, I will be posting more videos when I'm working on my car, among other things. I'ma holla at you.